All right, welcome to Framework Fortune Crypto Daily. We are going to do some live crypto day trading today, tonight, evening, morning, wherever you're at in the world. So thank you for joining me, and appreciate everybody being patient as this is a new channel. Everything should be good to go today though. So let's figure out what we got. And Coinbase came and released multiple coins over the past 24 hours. So I do want to take a look at some of these. See, SNX was one that was added. 114 million in circulating supply. And I'm looking at this on Coinbase, the regular app on my phone real quick, so I want to take a look at some of these. OGN, I think that's new. Origin token. Let's see. I don't remember that being on here. 283 million. Says OGN. Let's take a look at OGN. There we go. OGN $1.57, so it doesn't take a lot of shares to get this thing going. Yeah, you can see where they just added it. Dropped from $3 down to $1.57. So let's pull this up on the trading view. OGN USD. Well, actually, no, we're going to need to see it. Let's see. Let's do it on Binance. Binance probably has a lot better chart because it's been around there a lot longer. It's the Binance one. Okay. Man, let's see what we got here in the long term in the 4-hour chart. Ooh, actually, very interesting. We have a very interesting. We have a uptrend going here. It was all the way up at 340 back in April. So this new coin on Coinbase is right now currently at the downtrend. Very interesting. That's one definitely want to keep on watch at least over the next couple of days. Let's look on the 5-minute, see if we have any type of patterns or anything. See, that was a spike, 159 up to 165, so that's about a 7-cent spike. So this one's interesting. Let me post the live stream on the other channel so we can get other people over here. See, there's one of you guys in here right now. We'll come back to OGN, but it's definitely one I want to keep on watch for the next couple of days, because we could easily see a bounce off this trend line, especially with it now being on Coinbase. A lot more people have access to it, so this is kind of a cheap price for it. If it can hold up this trend line, we could see another move. And then looking at the altcoin season chart, I was looking at that, and we're consolidating right here under this 100 level. And it looks like we're about to go on another altcoin run. Previous times, you can see on the chart way back here, altcoin was exploded to the top of the chart and just stayed there for a while. So all these altcoins still might have quite a bit left in them in this bull run that we're on. Or we could be coming to the end. Who knows? You know, you never know. Yeah, let me post this real quick, and then I will. Yeah, right there. It's live now, so share. Post this in the community. Boom, bam. All right. We're good to go. All right, so let's find something to trade. This may be a potential trade, but just looking at it on the 5-minute, it's not moving super fast. Like the big spike right here, which is not that big of a spike, is only like a 7-cent spike. So I mean, I could buy like quite a bit of this, but I don't think it'd be worth it for the 7 cents. I'm looking for a little bit bigger moves. But in the next couple of days, as far as the swing, like I said, if it can hold up that that area, that trend line, then we could see it bounce. So let's see what else we got going. I wish that you could sort this by gainers and losers, but Coinbase Pro's got a lot to do. This was another new one, fourth. That's a pretty good move. That's an 86-cent move there on the 5 minutes. So let's see. What was the circulating supply of fourth? There are so many added. I haven't had a chance to look at all of them. I'm just now getting a look at these new tokens. But I saw the updates for them. Where are you at, fourth? I guess I could just search it. That would probably be the easiest way. Ample fourth. Yeah, so let's see. 6.4 million supply. So this is a very low supply. Let's pull this guy up on the trading view, see where we're falling at, because this could be a good one to day trade. We will find out here. And let's go to Binance. So this is a pretty recent project, at least on Binance. All I'm getting is back to April 23rd. It's been in a downtrend the entire time, but look at some of these spikes. 36 up to what, 48? That's a $12 spike in 4 hours on that candle. This spike is a huge spike, 38 all the way up to 59. So this thing can get going. You can see as it's hit Coinbase, you've had a sell-off, but starting to rebound. This may be a good one to watch. We'll keep an eye on this one. Trying to test 37 right now. If it breaks back over that 37, we kind of got a double bottom here. A little bit. So that 37 area could be, if it breaks above that, may start looking for an entry. Let's see. Actually, there's a little bit of support back here on this 36 area. Let's see. 33. Yeah, there's a lot of support on this in this 35 area, so this is not a bad price for this coin. I think hop into 1 minute and see this closer, see what we're doing. Okay, curling over on the 1 minute. So yeah, 36.50 area. Let's get a buy ready, just in case. So I want to see if this 36.50 area holds up. If this 36.50 area holds up, then I may take an entry to see if it can break over 37. Right now it's a little sketchy, but this is super low supply. So 6.4 million tokens, that is not a lot. And I'm going to continue to look and pull up some of these other newer coins, but I'm going to leave this chart up for now because I think we could get a move here soon. If this starts to curl back up, that would be a nice little U-shape for the curl. But I want to make sure that it is going to hold up. So we want to see it curl back around because we don't want it to just continue down this downtrend. Let's see. What else was added? Scale, I think, was I think Scale's been on here. Cartsy, that's one that was new. Whoops, RLC, that's another new one. 80 million in supply. Yeah, that's pretty good supply too. I'm gonna write a couple of these down so I don't forget where they're at. I'm gonna write their circulating supplies down so I can remember. I don't have to keep looking. Let's see, 80 million. RLC, Cartsy. Cartsy's only $1. And it's on 337 million. That's not terribly high for $1. So that's CTSI. Or Cartesi, I don't know. I could be saying, I'm more than likely saying it wrong. Mirror protocol. Mirrors trading around $10. Only 60 million. $62 million in circulating supply. So that's a pretty low one too. Maybe getting ready for an entry on this here. You start to see this candle push back up some. It may start to go. Okay, mirror. And Teller, that's another one. Teller, oh, yeah, TRB. I saw this one last night. I actually swung this one and actually did make a little bit off of it. I think it was last night or the night before, but it's only got 1.5 million in circulating supply, so super, super low. I kind of like all these new ones for day trading here. Trying to make sure I didn't miss one. Yeah. And see, we're kind of starting to slide off here. So that's what I want to say. I'm waiting to see if this is going to hold up. I don't want to do anything until I see that 3650 is held up. Yeah, that's all I'm seeing. That's the new ones. So real quick, while that's going on, let's check out some of these other ones. Let's check out TRB. I think I even have some TRB left. I don't think I sold it all. Yeah, no, I still got 1.4 left. But you can see where I bought it at 106, sold some at 109, sold some at 108.9, sold some at 114, 114, 114, 114. So dollar rips this thing can have. You can see right here, $1.03 up to $1.07. That's a $4 rip in 5 minutes. So very low supply. This is probably one of the lowest supply coins or tokens that I've seen. But I do have a little bit of it left. It is below my entry, so I'm just going to continue to hold it for now because $100 is pretty strong support on this, and I'm only at 10. The little bit I have left, it's at 106. I locked out a good bit of profit. Decent amount of profit. I mean, I didn't have a ton of them, but let's check out CTSI, what we're looking like there. Ooh, CTISI is actually breaking out right now. Damn, I should have, if I caught this just a few minutes ago. What does that one got? The 330, 337. Ooh, we may be, I really like this daily chart. We may be going on this. Probably go, I might go max on this because then it all has to do is move 10 cents for me to get $100. That's the 15 minutes. Let's go to the 1 minute. Make sure we're not buying in a dip. Well, I do want to buy in a dip, but I don't want to buy in a curl over dip. I want to buy when it's... So we got a couple to watch here. Let me pull this up on the chart. Where are we? What is that we're looking at? CTSI. Yeah, this is all new highs, but 110 is going to be a tough area of resistance. But not a lot else going on, so this could be the one that's getting attention. On the 4-hour chart, we went straight up, so I actually may need to wait for a pullback. If it comes back down to $1, I think I might take an entry on it. At this current moment, though, well, hold on, we might be coming back to $1 here in a second. I might actually want to get it off. Well, whoops. Come on, Coinbase. There we go. So 105 area is tough resistance. That's what we're trying to break on this. We are all over the place. Whoops. I'll go ahead and grab some here. What did I get at? Yeah, right below 105. And then I may average down if it comes down to $1. But we're on this nice little uptrend on the 1 minute. If that can continue to hold, we could see it start to push back up. And this is a little consolidation triangle. See, where's that high at? The high is 108. We are starting to push back up. Buyers starting to come in here to 107. I want to see it. I want to see it test 10. If we can test 10 and break out over 10, then that would be idea. But we do got to break over this previous high at 108.5. Yeah, what? Yeah, I should have. Dogecoin to the moon. I know Dogecoin is going a little crazy right now. I forgot to check it, but I'm all right here. You know, I'm doing my thing. There we go, pushing for a new high. Let's go. Let's go. Let's see that 110. Come on. Come on. Let's see that 110. I'll go ahead. I'm gonna lock this odd number out. I'm gonna lock 75.2 out real quick, just to lock something out. And then what do I got left? I got 400 left, so see if it can break over this 110 area. You're almost there. Come on. Just a little bit more. Let's see some 110s on this time and sales. Let's go. Come on. Let's see a 110. Can I get a 110? Getting a couple of 19s. Can we get a 110? Maybe a 1950. Maybe. Come on. Up. Here we go. Let's see 110. We're getting close. I saw 1972. We're all over the place right now, up and down. Good volume here. Here we go. 110 is my time. I think my time in sales is. Hold on, let me refresh this real quick. I think it is falling behind there for a second. Okay, so we were lagging there a little bit. So we did hit 110. May have to pull back again, and yeah, it looks like it is going to pull back. We want it to hold above 107. Oh, actually, we may still try to test. And we may get this 110 breakout here. We're really testing this area. Oh, we're getting so close. That was a quick little push. Just a little bit more buy-in push in here, and we're going to get this break. If it don't break here soon, it's got to break here real soon in the next couple of minutes. If it doesn't, we're going to have a pullback. It looks like we are going to have a little bit of a pullback as this candle is getting smashed down here. Oh, well, maybe not. It did close green. Depends on what this candle does. If this candle drops, then it's going to be a pullback. If this candle pushes back to 110, we may still break out here. Just consolidating right now. But that 110 was a new high. This is the new high for this coin. So we're in uncharted territory at this moment. Right now I'm up, I don't know, 15 bucks or something like that. Nothing big, but we're getting a little wild again. Just need a little push right over that 110 area. See if we're gonna start getting some bids up there near that 110 again. We're getting close to 1.9 again. Starting to curl over. So 107 needs to hold here. 107 doesn't hold, then we're going to drop back down to 105. Still on this uptrend, so as long as we hold up above 105 here, we're good to go. Let's look at it on the 5 minute real quick. Yeah, so the 5 minute we're still, this is this uptrend I'm talking about. We're still on that, so we are having some consolidation right below 110, which is not surprising. I mean, this was a new high for this coin, and 110 is a pretty good number, especially if you got in back here at 86 cents or something. Now, if this can start to curl up right here, that we could get this break. See, we're starting to push up a little bit. This candle absolutely needs to break back above this red candle here. It needs to get back over. It needs to get pretty much back over 108. If it doesn't, it starts dipping down, then that uptrend is going to crack, and we're going to come back down to this 105 area. Whoa. Whoa. What just happened there? That was an explosion of volume on that candle. Unless my Coinbase glitched, I did not. What's going on? That was quite an explosion out of nowhere. That was almost all the way back up to 110, just that one area. Just that one little quick second. We are starting to test this 105 area, so let's see if it can hold up here. Yeah, buyers are trying to hold it above 105. That's what we need to see. Oop, getting a little sketchy. Let's show this guy on the 5-minute here. Yeah, so you can see right there, that was the previous high at 105. These candles closed like 103 something. So it is trying to build some support right along this area right now where that red candle just held up. And you can see we are starting to pop back up. So bounce off of that 105. Very nice bounce. Although this is an ugly candle. We do not want that to close like that. It needs to get over 106. Nice open on that candle. And we're looking pretty good here. If we get this nice curl back up, we are good to go. Very nice. Let's see if we can get back over 108 here. There we go. Some 108's popping up. Let's see if we can push for 109. Kind of all over the place at the moment. Now there is a little downtrend that is formed right across there, so it's got to break back over 108 here. If not, it's going to curl back over and drop to 105. See, sometimes these cryptos move slow. Sometimes they don't move as fast as stocks. Sometimes their consolidation is long like this. It takes a little while. But it does look like we're going to test 110 one more time here. If it doesn't break out here, I'm locking out. If it does break out, then let's go on a wild ride. Let's go on a trip on a magic rocket ship. You're a little late, Jamie, but no worries. We got plenty of time, and there's plenty of coins to trade. I'm in CTSI right now. Got in right below 105. Looking for it to break this 110 area. We just been riding along. Whoa. There's another one of them bottoms coming out of nowhere. But it does look like we're going to try to test. Let's see. Can we get a 110 on there? We're getting real close. Here we go. There we go. Can we break it? There we go. There we go. New high. Let's see if it keeps running. Keep running here. Don't slow down. Keep running. You just broke over 110. You know how hard that was back here for you. Don't give up on me now. Like I said, I'm going to lock it out here if this doesn't keep breaking. A lot of buying coming in, but it is not moving. There's enough selling to hold it down at the moment. We need to see something hot other than 1063 right now pop up on there. There we go. There's a 11068. There we go. Up to 111. Let's see. Let's see this go up to 115. Come on. Up to 112. Woo, we're getting all over the place here. We are all over the place. And I may be about to lock this out here if it doesn't hold above 110 here. There we go. Big explosion up to 112 again. Oh, God, we're all over the place, though. I'm trying to give us a second to break 110, but I am about to lock this out. Holding above this 108 area so far. If it can hold that, because that 108 area was some resistance, if it can hold that, maybe we can see one more test, but I'm getting a little skeptical. Let's see what this candle does, if it pushes up or down. If it starts pushing down, I'm hopping out. If it pushes up, I'll hold it. And of course, it's fighting right here. Everybody else is having indecision like I am. Which way are we going? Which way? Are we going up or down? Up or down? Break back over 110. We should see another push. Maybe that 115 area. It looks like we may get it. Maybe. Yeah, here we come. That sounds really naughty. We're getting real close to a breakout here. Maybe. Oh God, it's still holding up at 110. I think we got a minute or two on this. This candle may close right here below it, and then the next candle may be the one that explodes. We are getting pretty nice buying in here. So we are getting a curl up too. So if this can continue to curl up, we'll be good to go. If it starts dropping, no, that ain't gonna be good. There we go. Testing that 110 again. See if we get a nice break here. You got into EOS earlier, now you're sitting on it. Sometimes you have to. I was swinging mana all day. I bought mana this morning at 150, and it did get up to 160. I should have locked it out there, but I thought it was going to run a little bit more, so I didn't end up locking it out. And I had a tight stop loss. I only lost like a couple dollars on it, so no big deal. Sometimes they don't break. They just take a while to keep consolidating. That's what I was just saying a little bit earlier. They're slow boys sometimes. Like this one has continued to test 110. This is going to be the... Well, we're holding above 110 now. We're starting to. Trying to hold above 110. Still a little sketchy. I just want you to go up to 115. That's all I want you to do. You're so close. Come on, CTSI. You're new on Coinbase. People ought to be buying you right now. I'm buying this off of the possible hype. I'm going to go ahead and lock this out. So I'm locked out there. The reason I locked out because that looked a little sketchy. Let's see. So, I mean, I made, it was about 4 or 5 cents. I got there a coin at 500 just about. So I made about 20 bucks after fees. So that's all right. Nothing to brag about, but it's a little win. We're just getting warmed up. We just started the stream. We're just getting warmed up. Things may get more interesting, but I want to go check Doge because you guys are right. Doge was the only thing that's up today, up 22%. We could see Doge move again. What do you do? Oh, yeah, that's right. I can't trade Doge. Doge is not on Coinbase. That's unfortunate. Well, get out of here then. Let me see. Yeah, on that 5 minute, that's a little bit ugly. But the good thing about cryptos is I can go again on this if I see it start to come back up to 110 again. I don't know. It's struggling. It's really struggling with 110 at the moment, but we are still building higher lows. If this red candle, as long as this red candle stays above 107.6, I do not like this little candle here though. I think it's going to have to consolidate. I think this is going to have to come back down to $1.05 and make one big U shape back up unless it breaks here soon. We do have a bit of a flag forming, so I may take another entry and try to get another quick scalp. But see, this may just be the start of this big flag because that's where that main support is. Yeah, it is pulling now. So So that's what's going to happen. This is going to pull back probably to the $1.05 area, and then probably consolidate. So we'll keep an eye on it. If it goes to $1.05, then we'll may take an entry on it. Doge is still just consolidating sideways. Well, not sideways, but in this big triangle right here. Actually, Doge may be about to break out of this big triangle. It's got some strong resistance ahead. Yeah, no, I do. I've got Webull. I could use Webull for Doge, but I'm not worried about it. You know, Doge can break out. There's plenty of other coins on Coinbase here that I can trade, so I'm not too concerned about it. While this is doing this little consolidation, I do want to look back. Let's see. What was our TRB? That's the big. Let's see. There was one more too we were watching. TRB is the really super low supply. It's curling over, so maybe something there. See how EOS is looking. EOS has broke this downtrend, starting to slowly make its way back up. Needs to break above 1025 here soon. We could take another shot there. Oh, I think it was OGN was the one that I was looking at before. No, that's not it. That doesn't have a lot of volume either. There was one more. There was one I was looking at that was $36. Let's see, Mirror's one of them we were keeping an eye on, but yeah, not a lot of volume in that. I'm just going to keep an eye on CTSI for now. CTI is bullish. Up a little bit. It's just consolidating right now. I did get a little bounce off of that 105 right there. But I may go for another shot. I may go big on this one because I may do a quick scalp. So if I go 1,000 shares or 1,000 tokens or whatever, and we move 4 cents, that would be $40. So maybe a decent little scalp. I don't know if I want to do it or not though yet. I am getting ready. Still in this little downtrend. Let me see. Let me look at it. Yeah, I'd like to see it come back down a little bit more, but it may try to hold and curl up right here for the breakout. I don't know. Well, it's starting to come down. Just waiting for this trend to reverse. This trend needs to reverse here. You're in at 10:30 on EOS. It didn't look. It looks like you were moving back up to get over that entry soon. See, we're going straight down right now on this 1 minute chart. As soon as that trend breaks, although I am tempted to get it down here at this price at this 105 because there is a lot of support there. So look at this on the 5 minute. Got 2 minutes for this 5 minute to close. If it closes where it's at, I'm very tempted. Yeah, I'm going big here on this one, but I'm going to have a tight stop loss. Stop. Hopefully just don't drop on me before I get the stop loss in there. That's what I get filled, 1653. Okay. Max. I'm going to put it 149. So I'm going to risk, place that order, I don't give a shit, put it in there. Alright. Yeah, so we're at 149, got stop loss right below 105. Risking about a penny and a half on $1,100, so about 10 bucks. If it holds up here and curls back up, all I needed to do is run 5 cents to make me 50 bucks. It just needs to run back up to 10, and that's another 50 we can throw in the cookie jar. $1 make it hard. I don't know. It may crack. It may not. I'm looking at it on the 5 minute. It looks pretty good, but on the 1 minute, I'm just not sure yet. It's hit 105 once, so if it can continue to just curl up, we'll be good to go. I'm just looking for it to test 110 one more time so I can get that quick scalp on it. Like I said, if it just goes 4 or 5 cents, the amount of tokens that I got, oh, there we go, we're starting to move a little bit. I'm going to get that order ready to go because I'll have to cancel this one really quick if it starts ripping and then jump out of there. EOS is running. Need to see it get back over that 108 area. That 108 was resistance before. It's holding up as resistance again, but we do have this nice little U-shape up to it. So this is the candle we want to see start to push. This one actually may consolidate a little bit, but as long as it holds above 107, we'll be good here. Whoa, did I just get stopped out? No, I didn't. Okay, it didn't drop below 105. That was close, though. Little tail end there. Coming back down to that 105 area. Getting pushed right back up to 107, though. Let me pop at this on the 5 minute again. Yeah, we're looking good on the 5 minute. If this can just continue this little move back up. We can just hold up here. Start to curl back up. We'll be good to go. Yeah. We're looking all right here. I'm gonna get ready. I'm gonna get ready to move on this. We start to break up to that 110. .108 is acting a strong. There we go. There we go. Start getting some 108s in there. You see a little bit more 108s. You're testing it. There we go. So close to pushing to that 110. So close. We're still looking good on the 5-minute. Two minutes on this 5-minute. Got 1 minute on this 5-minute to close. As long as it closes up here, I'm going to stay on the 5-minute for a few minutes here. See how this candle closes and see how the next one starts moving on the 5-minute. But we are holding up at 108 here in the last minute. If that holds up and continues to push in this last minute, this next candle may be the 110 tester on the 5-minute. Yeah, if we start to push up any at all. Real close. We need to see a one. We need to start seeing some 109s here, though. All right, I'm taking this, canceling this order, and I'm getting ready to lock this out. I'm gonna give it half a second to test in. Back to 1 minute here. We are testing 10 now. Let's see if we can break over. Locking it out. Bam. We're out of there. Where do we sell at? Right below 110. So, I mean, 106.5 up to 109.5. About $20 after $20 after fees. So that's about what I make 25 earlier, so about $45 so far on this CTSI trade, just trading it off of the 105 area. Not too bad, not too bad. Looks like it's going to break out. It may try to break out here. If it starts to hold 110, I may go one more time. I may try to see if I can scalp it up to 115, because I think if it breaks, if 110 starts to hold, let's see the 5-minute. Still a little sketchy though. Oh, we did break over the triangle there though. I'm gonna go again here on this 111 here, and I'm gonna give it a chance to see. I'm filled at 111, so I want to see if it's gonna break over 111 here. It's a lot of buys coming in, but it's not moving. There it goes. There we go. Let's see if we can get this rip up. We can get a break over 112, get up to this 115 area, make me another $50 here. place at the moment. So we want this 110 area to hold up. As long as 110 holds up, we should get this push to 115. If 110 starts cracking, doesn't hold up as new support, then we got to get out. See, it tested 110 again there. If it's 5 minute, we got a minute on this 5 minutes. As long as this 5 minute closes above 110, then we should be good to go. We should start ripping on this next 5 minute candle. Yeah, you can see a little curl over happening on the 1 minute right now if I can continue up. It's a lot of buying coming in here, but just there we go, up to 112. Oh, we're getting a little crazy here. We are getting a little crazy here. What did we hit? We hit 112 is holding up as pretty tough resistance. Needs to break 112 now. If not, it's going to come back down again. I may have to jump out here. See if 110 can hold up or not. I'm down about 20 bucks, so I'm giving back that other loss if this doesn't hold up here. Or that other win. I don't understand why 112 is holding up as strong resistance. Doesn't make a lot of sense, but there's no chart. I mean, it's all new. Oh, shit. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. Oh, okay, I didn't do anything, I don't think. Do I still have it? What'd I do? Oh, I did just sell it. Whoops. I did not mean to do that. Oh, no, I wasn't ready. I didn't want to sell it yet. Only made... Alright, well, we may try to go again. That was dumb. I might be able to get an even better entry here. Let me go back to the 1 minute and look. Let's see. Yeah, we're bouncing off of that. I'm going to go again. And this time I'm not going to try to sell right away. Let's see, where'd I get filled? I got filled at 199. So right below 110. That last trade I probably lost about 20-30 bucks on because the fees was about $10 for this much money, and then it dropped 2 cents on me, so that's about $20 there. So I'm still up. I was up about 45, I think. So now I'm only up about 15. It's really getting caught up in this area here. EOS is blasting, very nice. I may go check it out in a minute. This thing is not wanting to break any higher. It keeps struggling, so I'm about to give up on it. $108 was strong support before, so I want to see that 108 area hold up. That candle actually opened right below. It's a 108 and a half, and that's where that candle opened right below. So this needs it to push back above 108 and a half right here. And I may have to eat this loss too. This 108 area doesn't hold up. Let me look on the 1 minute. Actually trying to hold 107 and a half. That's right back in the downtrend though. We are back in the downtrend. I'm very close to getting out of this. $107 and a half. I'm just gonna put a stop loss in at 107. Let's do that. 107. Yeah, so 107 there. Because it's trying to hold that support there. If it can hold, I'll continue to hold it. It could try to push back up because it's just it came back into the triangle at this moment. But we did push for a new high, and we are still building higher lows. So if 107 can hold, well, I might have just got stopped out there. No, I didn't get stopped out yet. Okay. Ooh, very close. Alright guys, I'm going to take a quick little breather, and then when we come back, we'll see where this is at. I'll either be stopped out or it'll be turned around and moving back up. And then I'll check out EOS and see where we are there. And we start getting a little frisky there, but I'll be right back, guys. Is it just me, or are we getting a little frisky in here? Back up, testing that 112 area one more time. Let's see if it can break out. Getting held up again. We need to see it break 112 this time. If it don't break 112 this time, it's not going to break for a while. We were right there at it. Why is that showing one set? Hold on, what's going on here? One of these is lagging. Okay, it's not that one, so that's good to know. Oh, I got that stop loss in still. That's why it's not. So this one's lagging. So let me refresh this one. Huh, that's weird. Why is that one showing trading views lagging bad? It looks like. Look at all this buying trying to come in and push it to 112. Buyers are trying. Looking good on the 5 minute though. We got a nice little triangle formed right here on the 5 minute we're breaking out of. I think it's that same triangle on TradingView, but it's got to break that 112 if it's going to go. Pulling back again here. Ooh, big drop. Got a little doji there. I may get stopped out here. It's all over the place. Why is it showing 1.6 on? Well, it must be because it's Binance. Yeah, I got stopped out there. Damn. So close. Keeps trying to break at 112 and just can't do it. So we must look elsewhere for now. Because I'm going to let that do its thing. Yeah, EOS looking pretty nice. Let's hop on TOS over here. Get out of here. Yeah, EOS coming up to test this 1050 area. It's doing it right now. Could see a possible move there. Yeah, it's looking pretty good. How's Algorand doing? Algorand looks like that's maybe about to break out. I got Algo on my chart. Let me put Algorand on my chart. I hold and stake Algo, so that should be on my chart anyway, so I can at least somewhat keep up with it. Yeah, Algo kind of looking the same as... It's going to be strong resistance right across there. Right where it's coming up to right now is pretty strong resistance, so it's got to break that. But I think it's going to pull back one more time. I don't see it breaking out right here. Interesting. Fourth with this little flag. Oh, fourth was that one I was looking for earlier. That $36 one, but it does have a little flag going on here at the moment. Yeah, EOS breaking up. So EOS starting to move. I just don't want to buy anything right at resistance. I'd rather buy them at support. So we got OGN. See, REN is at $1.03. Let me take a look at REN over here. No, nothing. That's not tradable. Not liquid enough. It's not right now. Yeah, it's not really liquid either. This is nice looking. This is nice looking liquidness. Let's check out store on the chart over here. Let's see, 4 hour. It's been on this, yeah, it's on that downtrend at the moment. On the 4 hour chart, it hit there. We may see it try to move back up. But on the 5 minute, where'd that downtrend go? Come on now. Let's see. Here we go. The 5 minute, we need to see that break. There is a little uptrend. I got storage on here. So storage USD cracking. I'm gonna add it to my list. Still kind of building watch list of the stocks that, you know, kind of could have potential to move. Oh no, I use Kraken, not this one. Kraken, there we go. See, CTSI is still kind of trying to do its thing. It still hasn't dropped. I mean, it dropped down that 105 area. See, Cardano's up. I'm just going sideways at the moment, though. Filecoin is another one of those lower supply. Yeah, you can see where it's moved a couple of dollars here in the last little bit. I'm going to go with a 5 minute chart so I can actually see better. There we go. It's kind of downtrending at the moment. If EOS can start building that support at 1050, it's trying to do here, it's trying to build some support there. I may take a shot on EOS. I don't know. It's kind of a slow day in the crypto world, so I'm not. Although Ether, let's see, Ether testing 3,500 again. So it may heat back up. Tomorrow might be a hot day again for cryptos. There's nothing there. CTI testing again. This is like the 8th time it's tested. I may try to go one more time on this. Interesting. I'm going to go again. Looks like it's about to start moving. Am I in there? Yeah, we're in there. Boy, this wants to break 12 so bad. You're so close. Just see this little triangle that's forming right here. On a 1 minute, but boys are struggling. What did I get filled out? 11, 21. Not the best entry. Ooh. Another pullback again. And this thing will just not break. Boy, I'm getting some lag here. That's no bueno. What is going on right now? Still trying to hold up that 1.8 support. I'm debating. I don't know if I want to do that. See, I'm kind of doing the opposite of what I should be doing. I keep buying at this resistance looking for it to break. Where originally I started buying at the support. I should have been buying all these bounces. All these bounces we could have made some nice, quick, easy scalps on, but it just looked like it was going to break 112 so many times. It tried so hard, so many times. We're kind of just in this sideways consolidation. We are still building higher lows, so this guy just might be a slow breaker. Got in at CSI 106. Like we may try to push up one more time. After this trade, though, I'm going to call it a night because I got to go get some dinner. Try to give us a few minutes here to see if it's going to go for one more test at that 112 area or not. Yeah, looking a little sketchy here. I may have to hop out. Oh, no, we're still building still above the previous low, so we're still alright if it can hold up 107. Well, this downtrend needs to break. We do have this downtrend currently. This is a pretty steep downtrend. Turn it red. There we go. You guys keep losing the stream. Yeah, I don't know. Something's going on with my internet or something because I keep glitching out on Coinbase Pro too. So I don't know what is going on right at the moment, but something keeps happening with the internet. It's the government. They're trying to get me trading those cryptos. They're after me, trying to get me to stop. Federales. Yeah, the algo. It's that. Yeah, I know it's that damn YouTube algorithm. It's not the thing. Is the government controls that algorithm? They're in cahoots. They're in cahoots to take my hamsters and my gold, both. They want my gold and my hamsters. I don't know why they want the hamsters. Probably for some top secret research. They're probably genetically altering the hamsters to become big creatures of doom. But the algorithm, he's a hitman. He's a mercenary. The government hired the algo to take me down. And ever since then, the algo's been after me every day. My entire life, looking over my shoulder. Okay, good. It's just Robert Kiyosaki behind me. I thought it was the algorithm for a minute. Phew. You guys know what to do. You guys know how to combat that algorithm. Gotta give him a little kick right in that little like button. His little dinky little like button. Thinks he's got a big old like button. That algorithm ain't got no big old like button. He just got a little tiny like button. Oh my god, it's so dumb. It's so dumb. Why do you guys encourage me and laugh at this stupid shit? It's so dumb. Yeah, DB is definitely Mr. Anderson from the Matrix. That's a good one. He shows up everywhere all the time. He's a minion for the algorithm. I don't know if we're gonna get this breakout here or not. This is looking sketchy-ish at this moment. I mean, we're still building higher lows, but man, this is really taking a while. And every time we almost break, it pushes right back down. Like, we need this to start to curl up again. We gotta have another curl up. I think the biggest problem is every time it pulls back, it gets pushed right back up to that 112, and it's not. Like, this one was a good one. That could have been a good breakout curl there. This one, not so much. This one was down and then straight back up to 112. So we need another good one like this, I think. Another little sweet curl. Sweet, sweet Arby's curly fry. That's what we need. Hey, we've got Elvis in the building. That's right. He's already on it. Attacking the like button. Attacking that YouTube algorithm. Right in his dinky like button. Gotta get that algorithm. Gotta teach him a lesson. That's the algorithm right there. He just hit my phone up. What's he doing? He just sent me a text message saying I suck. He's taunting me. Damn, Algo's taunting me right now. Texting me and telling me things. I'm glad you guys are in the chat with me, because sometimes these crypto trades can be a little boring because they, like we were talking about earlier, the consolidation is kind of slow, so... CGLD just had a big spike, it looks like. Man, CGLD is one I want to like watch every day, because that thing is another really low float one, but it's cheap, or low supply one, but it's cheap, and when it starts getting buying volume, it rips. So there's like very good profit potential every day with that one. This is the one of the new coins, so I wasn't sure. We're really starting to kind of curl over now. Whoops, nope, do that. Get back over here. On the 5 minute, if we don't curl up right here, then this is going to start overall curling down, and we'll probably have a pullback down to $1. I mean, $1.05 is pretty strong, but I'm not going to hold it down to $1.05 if I can help it. But right now, at this moment, it's not looking great. You can see continuing to test this 107 support. And I'm in a little higher than I would like to be, and shouldn't have bought it that. Doge going crazy. I still got a few Doges left. Let's see how my Doge's looking. Yeah, sometimes you'll have those days. I mean, when you have those days where you start off and you're just kind of all over the place and having some bad trading, just stop and just come back later. Start with a fresh mind, because if you sit there and keep trading, you're going to start revenge trading. You're going to get mad and frustrated and irritated, and then you'll start revenge trading, and revenge trading always always leads to losses. So sometimes, especially with cryptos, and you can trade them 24/7, just take a break for like an hour or two, go get some lunch or something, and come back and hop back on it when you're feeling better again. But don't keep trading. Throw all your money at the market, made $10. Well, I threw mine at it a couple times. I was up I was up about 45 bucks on those first two trades, but this coin keeps getting me. It won't break that damn 112 area. It looks like it's about to crack now. I'm probably about to hop out. This is getting real close to cracking. I'm gonna give it like another minute or two here to try to hold this up, but it is looking sketchy. See if we get that curl back up, we break that downtrend at 108, then we can move back up to that 112 pretty easy. But we do have a bit of a flag there, I guess. It's not a very pretty flag. It's ugly as hell, but we may just got in this too early. See, right there off at 105, that would have been a perfect entry off of that 105 bounce, and then you could have locked that in, or locked half in and then held there. Fridays are always bad for you. Well, today has been a slow day in the crypto markets. It's been slow all day. I think it's just now starting to heat up. I think it's a later heat up. I think during the night we'll probably see some pretty good moves on some stuff, because Ethereum is trying to test that 3,500 area again. And if Ethereum can break over 3,500, that'll get everybody excited again. Yeah, see right there, it's holding above 3,500 right now. Yeah, I think or are you guys talking about stocks? You guys might have been talking about stocks. I don't know. We're talking about stocks, or we're talking about cryptos. You're talking about the market being bad. Because stocks wasn't great either. I was able to pull one out of my rear end today to save that loss and make a little bit of profit, but it was a rough day. Damn, I keep forgetting what day it is. I can't believe it's Friday. God, this week, not this week, but this year so far, 2021 has been such a quick year. You were talking stocks? Yeah. It was both. I mean, it was the crypto markets and the stock market both kind of slow today. And the stock market's just been ugly the last 2 months. It's not been the best. It's been choppy. It's been hard to really get any breakout plays. Ooh, that's not pretty. Yeah, I'm gonna eat this loss. I'm about to have to get out, but now I'm gonna be down. I'm gonna be down probably about $40 now. I was up 45. Now I'm going to be down about 40. You look at it one more time. Let's see. I'm hesitant to sell because right now, if this area holds up and it comes up and tests that downtrend, like I said, it could break out again, but it could easily just come back down and crack this trend line too. Yeah, there it did. It just did come back down. Decisions. I don't. Yeah, now I'm down about $60 because every 10 cents this moves is going to be, or every penny this moves is going to be $10. So now I'm down about 60. And 105 is really strong support though. I'm thinking about just risking that extra $5 and putting a stop loss below this 105 area and see if it breaks out later. I think that's what I'm going to do because I do got to get going. My wife's about off work. So I'm just going to do that. And if I get stopped out, I'll take the loss. I'll make it back probably later tonight while I'm sitting on the toilet or something. Let's go 1049. That's what I want to stop loss at. 1049, right below that 5 cents. So we don't want it to crack below that. So, and of course, I do the daily crypto updates, so you guys will be able to find out what happens with this. I will let you know tomorrow during the update. I don't know if I'll be live streaming crypto trading tomorrow or not. We'll see. Damn, I might get stopped out right now. It might not even hold up 105. It may be done. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what happens with it. But yeah, I'm gonna call it a night, guys. Appreciate you joining me as always on both channels, the Framework Fortune Home channel and the Framework Fortune Crypto channel. We'll start doing these daily crypto trading streams more and more as we get everything rolling a little bit smoother on the other channels. So, yeah, you guys have a great rest of your night. Stay safe out there. Till tomorrow.